Farida Khan, and I am the founder director of FIDA, the Design School, and INFD NG Road, Bangalore. INFD has been in Bangalore for the past 12 years now, and we have been able to successfully roll out more than 2,000 designers so far. We handle the two streams of fashion design and interior design. We have tie-up with Annamalai University for our BSc and MSc programs, and we make sure we are making more entrepreneurs. That is my vision and mission, to make more entrepreneurs in India. I think that is the need of the hour. More than students working for others, they should be able to provide jobs for others. Keeping this in mind, this being a very good occasional stream and giving opportunities for more of textile. India is a country which has lovely textiles, and there is so much of culture available, and with that, to promote Indian fashion and Indian design, we are training the students to learn this in the 3 years that they spend with us and become job givers. So, and we have association with the International Institute, that is LSD, that is London School of Trends, and so our students get opportunity to showcase their talent. Today you will be seeing a fashion show. Like that, our students have participated in London. They have also participated in New York Fashion Week. So this kind of international exposure makes them understand design better, and from India we will be able to give international level of designs. So folio is conducted every year. 3 years of graduating students come up with a collection. They work very hard, they conceptualize everything themselves, and then we hire models. We bring them to lovely production where, like, lighting, choreography, models, everything is put together, and they are given an opportunity to showcase their clothes. So Folio 2021 is happening. After the pandemic, we missed out last year. Otherwise, since 2012 till now, every year we conduct Folio. Thank you.
We keep them.
With this every year, because a passing out student needs to have a portfolio when they go out in the industry looking for work, to showcase whatever they have learned in the 3 years that they spent with us. So they need to show that what they are capable of, and this gives them a practical exposure. They're making clothes for models. This time we have also included plus size models, because this is the need of the hour, and we have also included kids clothes. Tomorrow being Children's Day, and kids fashion has also become very popular these days. So we have added those two categories also. And giving them training about how to handle business. A good designer is a creative person, not necessary that they will also be great in business. But for running a business, you need to have a know-how about finances. You need to know even to get a loan from a bank, or how to approach people to give orders, like how to give any kind, whether it is interior design, they have to give a budget, they have to interact with people. So all that training we give when the students are studying with us.
So you mean to say that preparation of
make out, like, we are into graduation in interiors and fashion designing, post graduation in interior fashion designing, and also certificate programs. So Miss Farida Khan's mission is to enable and empower women in particular around entrepreneurship, but at the same time, career can be a job, career can be a part-time job or their own business. So answering you, we have a lot of connections with corporates in terms of internship. Already our students are working as interns and also as employees. So we have a very good business development team who will go and get the tie-ups from the corporates, mostly from the fashion and interiors. So yes, it's not just education, it's about their future, because parents want their children to get either jobs or business, so we are providing the complete exposure. And recently we had a Diwali Mela also, where they made their own products and sold and made money, for their exposure. That's what is happening.
We have in bigger brands like Zara, H&M. Fashion is not just about designing, it is also visual merchandising. Back end there is a lot of work. So Live Space is another interior design company which is placed our students. A lot of big brands always approach us because we are teaching design at an international level. So they're looking for students at an international level. So we place a lot of students in these big brands. approximately 2000 plus have passed out in the last, since 2011 till now.
Okay, 10 years time.
It is a 3-year degree program. Other than that, we also have a diploma and an advanced diploma program, which is for 1 year.
Any short-term courses for this?
We do, because I think there are a lot of homemakers, there are a lot of people who want to do it like a hobby, and they want to learn at a shorter time because they're already having other career choice, but they want to do it for their passion. So for those people, we do provide 6-month and 1-year programs. We also have online programs for students who are in different cities. They approach us and we do one-on-one training.
I request speak a few words in this beautiful audience. Thank you, ma'am. You can speak few words, and I request all the dignitaries.
Introduction. Welcome you all here, Folio 2021. It feels like, is it really happening right now? Because I think after the pandemic and a low 2 years where we had to sit down and take classes from home, all our activities were controlled. We were wondering whether we could gather an audience like this and have a show at all. So thank being here and encourage the students. They put in a lot of interacting with the industry experts. Everything brings them to a stage where they can put in these.
Everyone needs a teacher. She's a Brinda of BSc 3rd year walking with her model.
And now a call for our ladies and gentlemen. Throw your BSc fashion designer. Shubharaksha is Nagalavya, BSc.